Welcome to the Hagley Car Show. And this is the 29th annual Hagley Car Show in honor of me being 29. Next year's their big 3-0. But this is our third year of being here.
It is, I know, and I feel like it just gets better with each year. I'm so happy to be here again.
Well, even our positioning, we're now out in the middle of the field this year.
I know, front and center.
A lot more eyeballs on all our cars. And this year's theme for the Hagley Car Show is pony cars. Sporty, mostly coupes and convertibles. So we might have to glue the back doors of the Blackwing shut just to pretend it's a two-door. No, in honor of Hagley, do you know Hagley's been around since 1803?
What?
Little Wilmington, Delaware has so many secrets, and Hagley is known as the biggest car show in Delaware and probably one of the biggest that's in the entire United States. It's a lot of nostalgia, and it's amazing. The people that you meet here, the cars that you see here, just incredible automotive history. And I thought it was fitting that we bring our CT4V and our Escalade IQ. It's almost like an evolution of cars right behind us.
It is, yeah. So much fun here at the annual Hagley Car Show. And I'm joined with some old friends and some new friends. So, old friend, how you doing?
Good morning. Hello. Hi. If you don't know me, I'm Walter from Delaware Cadillac. I work in service. This is a milestone year for me, my 20th Hagley show and my 20th year with Delaware Cadillac. I brought these two GM muscle cars with me. They've been part of my collection for a long time. These two cars represent GM muscle at its finest back 50 years ago. And I work at Delaware Cadillac, which sells the finest muscle cars now, the 2026, 25 Blackwings and Vs. You know, just great cars. I'm really proud to be part of this show and part of Delaware Cadillac.
And then our new friend.
Yes, hi, my name is Fred. I'm Walter's brother. I live in Boston. I'm a loyal customer of Delaware Cadillac.
So you've been to Delaware Cadillac before, yeah?
Yes, I've bought 3 cars for my daughters and for my wife. And I also had the great pleasure of driving my brother's Chevy Nova to the show today, and it's a great venue. It's my first time here, just great people and great show.
It's a 25 Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, which we are the #1 in the entire universe, ladies and gentlemen.
I love it.
With CT4V Blackwings. At 472 horsepower, it's a 6-speed manual with the sky cool gray interior.
And the red seatbelts.
You said you were going to add the extra stuff.
I did. And I see there's blue brake calipers too. That looks so nice. And
$87,840. We're at an event. It's an event car. You're going to save $6,000 when you finance through GM Financial. That includes $1,000 in down payment assistance. And you're going to buy it for only $81,840. Ladies and gentlemen, there are lower priced Blackwings out there, but not that have the carbon fiber 1, the carbon fiber 2 package, the satin graphite wheels, the sunroof, the heads-up display technology package.
The red seatbelts. You can get a pink Cadillac nowadays is if you sell enough Mary Kay products. So this is a very unique car. And it's yours?
Yes, it is.
Tell me a little bit about it.
It's a 1959. It's called a Coupe de Ville. I've had it for about 25 years, and I call it my chick magnet. Obviously, it works.
I love it, and I love the hat that I have to accessorize it. Have you been to the Hagley Car Show before?
We've been before with this car and with a couple other cars that I have. I have 6 collector cars.
Wow. Amazing, amazing.
They're all fun, but this is absolutely the most fun car because you don't have to know anything about a car. Just you look at it, puts a smile on people's face, and it's really delightful to drive, and it's just a lot of fun.
We were just talking about Kaitlyn sneakers here at the Hagley Car Show.
You know, I came prepared. I knew we were going to be on the grass, and I coordinated them with my dress.
She's a very intelligent woman. You're adapting. I mean, it's only the third year.
I know, right? After 3 years,
She's
you know.
been walking around this place in heels.
Right?
This is a 2025 Black Cherry Sport Level 2 Escalade IQ as being part of the event and being an event car. It's $167,735. You're going to save $15,000 and buy it for only $152,735. But ladies and gentlemen, we have fired through these IQs, and there is not as many being built as we go forward. So this opportunity is becoming more and more unique as each day goes by. It has the Onyx package. It has the executive second row. You want to ride around in class?
I know, this is luxury to the max.
You're going to have to teach Alex, her son, you're going to have to teach Alex to drive so that you can sit in the back seat, watch TV, massage seats, heated seats. For the passengers in the rear, it's incredible. It's true luxury, and it's 680 horsepower and 460 miles of range. That's enough for anybody.
Wow. That's a lot.
Put it in Velocity Max mode, and speaking of extra stuff, you get 750 horsepower. It's a monster.
750?
Yes. Introduce yourself to the crew here.
Okay. Rich Taylor, member of the Cadillac LaSalle Club for years. Pleased to be here. Appreciate you guys.
Awesome.
My name is Sudan Muhammad, and Cadillac LaSalle Club as well, and I'm pleased to be here. Thank you for having me.
So one thing that I love about being at this car show is seeing the evolution of all of these different vehicles, especially Cadillacs. And this one that we're standing right in front of, tell me a little bit about it.
Okay. This is a 47 Fleetwood 75 series. It's a 7-passenger touring sedan. This was the top of the food chain for Cadillac in 47. And they made a limited edition of them. It's hydromatic, and it has hydraulic windows that go up and down automatically.
All right, and we're just going to segue right into now your beautiful Cadillac. Can you tell me a little bit about this one here?
It's a 1949 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Series. It's the first year of the overhead V8. They made this body style 2 years, 48 and 49. The first year, 48, they had a flat head in it. And this is the first year of the overhead V8.
Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thanks again. My pleasure.
And we interrupted their beautiful little picnic lunch they were having. The lovely lady that's with Rich, we had her move over. I feel so horrible. Thank you. Year here at Hagley, and we could literally spend 3 years trying to cover the immense activities and all the people and the awesome cars and everything that's going on. I want to say thank you to the Hagley Museum and all of its people and employees for what they put into this car show. It really is something else. And the fact that it's happening right in our backyard.
I know, it couldn't be any more perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed it all. You can scrub right through. We're going to start to head out back to the showroom with more offers for you. We're just going to take
Exit 7.
And find our way to Cadillac heaven like you should today.
All right, let's go. Hurry.
And we're back.
And why are you wearing sunglasses?
Well, you wore yours all day. I figured,
I guess when you're cool, the sun shines on you all the time.
I forgot to wear mine. I am cool, all right, whether I'm wearing sunglasses or not. And speaking of cool, ladies and gentlemen, Cadillac's got a whole lot of new cool cars. So many that it's taken us forever to advertise them all. And we've just recently started featuring it. But the world's fastest Cadillac sits right next to you in the form of the Lyric V, all new for 2026. This car has the carbon fiber package. It is so cool, ready to be schooled, 615 horsepower, 650 torque. This car is $97,440, and I call that underpriced. And you might say, well, that's a lot of money. If you drive it, and you drive anything that it competes with, you will understand why I say that it's underpriced. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a brand new 2025 premium luxury 6-cylinder CT5, of course, coordinated with your dress.
Oh, yes. Lovely.
This car has the Onyx package, ultra-view sunroof. It's equipped the way that you want it. And let me tell you, I don't know if it's tariff issues or supply issues, but lately we have not been able to order the Onyx package at all for 2026s.
Really?
Very few 6-cylinders.
But it's so awesome.
I know, and we have only a few remaining 2025s that have all the cool stuff. And you can buy this one right now for... I'll be right back.
Really?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
You forgot your numbers. Anyway, we'll just go on with the lease. So if you would like to lease this vehicle for $59.95 due at signing, yeah, I'm not in the middle of a show.
I apologize. I walked in front of you.
I'm teasing you. For $59.95 due at signing, your monthly lease payment will be $698 a month, and it's Delaware Cadillac, so we pay your first 4 lease payments.
And you can buy it for $65,110, and you're going to save $1,000 in down payment assistance. $500.
I don't know. I don't know.
$500 in bonus cash, and you'll buy it for. You know what? It was really rude of me to walk in front of you. So if you could just. There you go. All right. We'll redo that.
We're gonna mess up focus for Vince's camera or something. I'm back up again. Where are you going? We're in the middle of a show.
Okay.
Come back.
And you're gonna buy it for only $63,600. Focus. There you go. $63,610 right here, right now. Opulence that is Hagley Museum and the Hagley Car Show. I had an opulent blue set up.
Oh, well, that was great.
And
Good
very
thinking.
Seriously.
Serious about the interior? Being
here.
serious?
Ready for you. It's a brand new 2025, and you can buy it for, here's step forward. Okay. $53,615. And you will save.
I don't know.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry.
Oh, you'll know on the other side.
Okay. And you will save $1,000 in down payment assistance. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm not going to do the turnaround now.
And $500 in bonus cash. And you're going to buy it for $52,115. I had her out in the sun all day, ladies and gentlemen. It is one of our brand new 25 XT5s. They are still alive and waiting for you, or you could lease it for
$49.50 due at signing, and your monthly lease payment would be $549 a month.
And it's a lease, so we
pay your first 4 lease payments.
And ladies and gentlemen, we so appreciate being a part of our community, being able to travel 7 minutes down the road and go to such an event so huge as the Hagley Car Show on their 29th, in honor of me being 29, 29th car show, and just to get to talk to the people and see all these people that just have a true passion for cars.
Yeah.
Like our friends at the V Club, it's so great. We appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe, and then take the drive down 95 to
Exit 7.
and come find out why it's Cadillac Heaven.